Senrra Sprinklers Professional Repair LLC. At Senrra Sprinklers Professional Repair LLC, we specialize in sprinkler system installation and repair, irrigation pump installation, French drain solutions, and landscaping services. With over 10 years of experience, we are committed to providing high-quality, efficient, and affordable irrigation solutions for homes and businesses in Gotha, Florida, and surrounding areas up to 50 miles. Projects. Our service: French drain, irrigation pump installation, installation and repair of sprinkler systems, landscaping. Quick contact info. Senrra Sprinklers Professional Repair LLC.